Ever heard of a war shorter than a lunch break? Yep, it happened. Today we're talking about the Anglo-Zanzibar War of 1896. This war lasted just 38 minutes. That's less time than an episode of your favorite TV show. So, here's the scoop. The British Empire wasn't thrilled with the new Sultan of Zanzibar. With tensions high, they issued an ultimatum. The Sultan said, "Nah, I'm good." And boom, the war started. But the British had battleships, and the Sultan, well, he had a palace. Spoiler alert, palaces don't fare well against battleships. After some quick cannon fire, the Sultan's forces surrendered. Just like that, the war was over. Imagine waking up late and missing the entire conflict. Next time you're running late, remember, at least you didn't miss a war. So next time someone asks about the shortest war in history, impress them with the tale of the 38-minute Anglo-Zanzibar War. Hit like and subscribe for more bite-sized history nuggets. Yup, tea.